One of the most important feature of the quadratic function. If we have this quadratic function and our parabola is like this, we have some important feature for this parabola. This point is when the parabola intersects the y-axis. This is called the y-intercept. The y-intercept means x equals to 0 when graph cut the y-axis. When the graph cut the y-axis. Okay, and we have this peak point. This peak of the parabola is called the vertex. Is called what? Is called the vertex. And any point in the xy plane have x coordinate and y coordinate, and we're going to name the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the vertex. We're going to name it h, k, where h is the x coordinate and the k is the y coordinate of the parabola. Okay, another important feature which is the axis of symmetry, which is what? The axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry is the line cutting the parabola into two equal parts. The line cutting the parabola into two equal parts. This line cutting the parabola into two equal parts is called an axis of symmetry, and I can get it using the equation -b over 2a. Let us take example about this part. Example, if we have f of x equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. First of all, let's get the three constants, a, b, and c. The c is the y-intercept, the number without axis. Then our c is -8. What about the b? The b is the number beside the x to the power 1. Then it's equals to 4. What about a? A is the number beside the x squared, which is 2. This is our first requirement. Second requirement, I want to get the y-intercept. Y-intercept, we just got it. Y-intercept equals c equal -8. Third, is this parabola open up or open down? We have to look for the value of a. Value of a is a positive, then open up. Why? Because a greater than 0. The third requirement is finding the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. -b over 2a. -b over 2a. Our b is 4, then we have to put negative bit because it's in the rule. 4 divided by 2 times a, which is 2. -4 divided by 4, then the answer is -1. The answer is what? The answer is -1.